Creating interactive lessons with video and text can make learning more engaging and effective. If you've been looking for a way to combine video with interactive elements like quizzes, clickable links, or embedded text to create more dynamic lessons, you're in the right place. Stick with me till the end, and I'll show you a step-by-step process that's easy to follow. Now, I've tested some of the most popular tools out there, and today I'll be showing you exactly how to create interactive lessons using software that I recommend. You'll get exclusive access to a free trial in the description below if you want to follow along. This offer is exclusive to my channel viewers. To start, you'll need a platform that lets you combine video with interactive elements. While there are several options, I'm going to focus on software that makes it super easy to add text, clickable buttons, and quizzes directly within your video. The first thing you'll need to do is upload your video content into the software. This can be any lesson or tutorial you've already created. Next, it's time to add interactive elements. Start by overlaying text directly onto your video. This could be a summary of the key points, a question for your viewers, or even a prompt for them to take action. The software we're using makes it super easy to do this. Simply drag and drop the text where you want it to appear. Now, let's talk about adding clickable elements. This is where it gets really exciting. You can embed clickable links in your video that lead to other resources, websites, or even quiz sections. This makes it easier for your learners to access additional material without having to leave the video, keeping them more engaged. Just click where you want the button to appear and you're good to go. Speaking of quizzes, these can really help reinforce the lessons you're teaching. You can set up questions that viewers can answer during or after watching the video. You'll want to ensure that the quiz questions align with the key points in your video so that viewers can test their knowledge immediately. Again, the software we're using makes it a breeze to add these features. Once you've added your text, buttons, and quizzes, preview your video to make sure everything looks and works as expected. Check that the interactivity flows well with the video and make any necessary adjustments. And here's a pro tip. Always keep your interactive elements simple and intuitive. The last thing you want is for your learners to get distracted or confused. So, keep things clean and to the point. Before we wrap up, let me give you a key takeaway from this video. Creating interactive lessons with video and text can significantly boost learner engagement, retention, and overall experience. Use these tools wisely, and you'll create content that not only teaches, but also keeps your audience actively involved. Quick recap: upload your video, add interactive text, include clickable buttons, integrate quizzes, and always preview before finalizing. If you want to try this out yourself, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.